GH for STEM Juneos Challenge. From the Central Region of Ghana, we have junior scientist DEBORAH ASANTE MENSAH. DEBORAH is a student of APEWOSIKA MA Basic School. DEBORAH will show us the difference between mixable and unmixable liquids. For this, she will use a disposable cup containing milk, a bottle of kerosene, a soft drink, some palm oil, and water. Let's see what DEBORAH can do with this unusual mix of things. Some liquids can be mixed to form a uniform mixture. Other liquids do not form a uniform mixture when they are poured into a mix. Liquids which form a mixture when mixed are called miscible liquids. Those that do not form a mixture when mixed are called immiscible liquids.
The first experiment to be conducted is based on immiscible liquids or heterogeneous liquid mixtures.
Immiscible liquids do not easily mix with water. They are also called heterogeneous liquid mixtures. The properties of the liquids are different. They therefore interact differently.
You take a bottle. You fill it with a fair amount of water. You add an amount of palm oil to the water. You shake it. Leave it for it to settle for some time and observe.
Shaking the liquid in the bottle is to aid the mixing of the two liquids.
Take the second bottle. You fill it with a fair amount of water. You add an amount of kerosene to the water.
The water and kerosene mixture separates into two layers as a result of their densities.
Shake it. Leave it for it to settle for some time and observe.
The heavier liquid forms the lower layer and the lighter liquid is seen at the upper layer.
Now back to the first bottle. You observe that the constituents of the palm oil will be suspending on top of the water. Both constituents will not form a uniform mixture. In the second bottle, the kerosene will be suspending on top of the water. Both constituents will not form a uniform mixture. The second experiment, you take your disposable cup, fill it with an amount of water. You add an amount of milk to it. Stir it using the stirrer. Leave it for it to settle for some time and observe.
Stirring also helps two liquids to mix.
Take the second disposable cup, fill it with an amount of water, add some quantity of the soft drink to it. Remix it using a stirrer. Leave it for it to settle for some time and observe.
A homogeneous mixture is formed. The mixture does not separate into two layers of milk and water.
You'll see that the milk and then the water will form a uniform mixture, such that only one constituent is seen, and it is the milk. The soft drink and then the water will form a uniform mixture, and only one constituent is seen, and it is the soft drink. We can now conclude by saying that heterogeneous liquid mixture do not form a uniform mixture, but homogeneous liquid mixture, they form uniform mixtures.
This concept in science can be applied when producing palm oil locally. This concept is used for the extraction of crude oil from the sea. Our second experiment is on miscible liquid. The producers of soft drink use it in their production and likewise in making milk for the public. You realize that they add water to the milk that is extracted from the cow. My name is Faustine Agbovi. a teacher in APEWOSIKA and Basic School, teaching integrated science.
This is why oils are used in the preservation of some food substances. Since oil prevents the diffusion of air, which may cause the food to go bad. Oxygen encourages food spoilage. It's time for Juneos Practical STEM Quiz. Did you know that liquids that do not mix can be made to mix by adding other substances? What will be seen when an egg yolk is added to a container containing oil and water and shaken quickly? A. The egg yolk will settle at the bottom. B. The egg yolk will mix with the water only. C. Everything will mix. So now, you know how some liquids are mixable and others are not. This is interesting, isn't it? You should try it at home, either by yourself or with your friend from school. Make a video or take pictures of your experiment. Ask your teacher or your parents to help you post the results of your experiment on social media. Tag We Go Innovate so that you can win some fabulous prizes. Don't forget to add your name and the name of your school to your entry and hashtag GH4STEM. You can check out any of our experiments at www.wegoinnovate.org and please leave a comment. You can also follow us on social media at We Go Innovate or WhatsApp us on 055 406 6248. Good luck with your experiment. You can be a junior scientist too.